Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're doing our Christmas tree at last. Guys, it's been a long time I haven't posted. It's all because my camera was broken. Now thank goodness I've got another one. I've got new balls. I couldn't do shop like the things I bought before Christmas, but Jaden has break a lot, so I've got new balls that I'm gonna show you before I start. So this is the first one I picked from Home Sense yesterday. It's quite nice. We're still on the theme like the gold and the red white thing, so this is what I pick up so that I can match the ones that I've got already. Oh, isn't this beautiful? This one too is $6.99 from Home Sense. And this one, that is the young man here. We've just come from town, so he's still excited. This one I picked from B&M. It's £3. Oh no, don't break another one. And these teardrop ones. Guys, I hope the camera can focus on it so that you can see. This is so beautiful. And I think how much was this? This is $4.99. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you're new here, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button and join the family.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
Guys, Home Bargain do this so good, which is £1. It's £1 in Home Bargains, which is B&M. Yeah, but most of the shops have got only one pack.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So now we are going to put
some of these nice peacocks, as you can see.
My favorite dress needs to come up.
These are some of my favorites. I like the peacocks. You look more than the dress.
Okay.
We can hang
here.
out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Oh, guys. So far, this is I don't know the words to use for this. This is beautiful.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what
Make the
we
drop, drop,
Mom, we're
and
not gonna drop these.
chilling and having a good time.
is that Gucci? So these ones are going to go in between those shirts and everything. Yeah, not lots of
Just in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Jaden,
Just
put the
cut it
star there. Jaden, put the star there for me. So Jaden is gonna. Can you take a picture of it? Jaden is gonna put the star on it. Yay! Well done. Oh, it's falling.
All around us.
Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo! Jaden is the star of the show. Yay! All right. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. We are done with our tree. So, Raymond is in uni this year. We all miss him. So he's not part of the Christmas video, but he will be home next week. So, you will see him in our vlog. God bless you. Stay blessed. If you're new here, can you please hit the subscribe button and join the little family? And be safe, stay safe.